All right, here we got this 2014 BMW 328i, and here we are working on this belt. Basically, the belt pop on this car. So customer call us and ask us for a belt replacement. As you can see, this was the old belt, pretty bad shape. So if you are looking for a auto repair guy to do your belt here in North Houston, you can give me a call. My number is 832-618-7291 for any belt replacement on a BMW or Mercedes Benz or any car. Basically, we can work on it. Here is the old belt, as you see.